Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare for security and SEO improvements step by step clearly. First, log in to your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and a secure password. Next, add your website by entering its URL into the designated field. Click on Add Site and select your preferred plan. Cloudflare will then scan your existing DNS records. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to your DNS records. Click Continue after confirming that the records are correct. Now, point your domain's nameservers to Cloudflare's nameservers as instructed. This may require logging into your domain registrar's site. Once you update the nameservers, wait for DNS propagation. It may take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. After propagation, log back into your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the SSL/TLS section for security configuration. Select the appropriate SSL setting for your website's needs. The full option is recommended for secure connections if your server supports it. Next, move to the firewall section to enhance your security. Enable the web application firewall to protect against common threats. Consider setting up security rules to block suspicious traffic. Next, go to the caching settings to improve site speed. Enable auto minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Adjust the browser cache expiration to enhance loading times for returning visitors. Now, navigate to the speed section. Enable Rocket Loader to optimize loading of JavaScript resources. Next, go to the SEO section to improve search engine visibility. Ensure that Always Online is enabled to keep your site accessible during outages. Consider enabling automatic HTTPS rewrites to simplify secure connections. Return to the main dashboard and check for any security alerts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.